Hello guys, in this basic tutorial I'm going to show you how to do multiply in Excel sheet. This is pretty basic tutorial but very useful. So let's begin. I have a dummy table in my Excel sheet. So it has the overtime rate and overtime hours by the persons. So I will multiply that overtime rate by the overtime hours. For example, I am going to multiply 22 by the 12. So let's begin. Now I need to apply a formula in D2 field. Press the equal sign from the keyboard, then press B2, press the multiply symbol from the keyboard, then press the overtime hours, which is C2. Press enter. So this is the bill of the overtimes and this is the multiplication, and this is how we can make the multiplication in Excel. Now I will apply this same formula for other rows. Simply click on it and drag down. Now same formula has applied to other rows and for other persons. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share my video. Thank you very much.